Once there was a little girl, a girl who could make fiends. She kept the whole town terrified, the girl who could make fiends. Then there came another girl who wanted to be friends. Vendetta cannot stand her, so she plots her end. Making fiends, Vendetta's always making fiends. Making fiends while Charlotte makes friends. Vendetta! Let's go to your house and play. We could have a slumber party.
No! My house is for me only. I do not have parties for slumber. Go to your own stupid house.
Ooh, great idea. We can go to my house. Yippee!
Yes! Yes! I will come to your house. And I will bring you something else to play with.
Yay! Hi, Vendetta.
Now be good. I'm going to the store. I'll be right back.
Hamster, give her the present.
Wow, a box with a crank.
Hamster, get back! It is too bad I lost my giant hamster. But it is worth it. No more Charlotte. Paige. What was that?
Guess who's your new neighbor?
What? No! Paige! Paige! Those are my fiends! You cannot use my fiends!
Ooh, hi, Vendetta. We were just doing some gardening.
Get off my property! Off! Fiends! Attack her! Get her now! Gah!
Ooh, what a pretty fence.
Yes! It is to keep Charlotte off my lawn! Ha ha!
What a great idea! I'm so glad that we're neighbors now. I can buy a sugar when I want to bake a cake. When there are leaves up to your knees, I'll let you use my rake. I will climb your pretty fence to fetch my basketball.
I had better build a wall.
We can use your wall for games like racquetball and squash. Set a lemonade stand up or maybe a car wash. I will mow your lawn and save up money for a coat.
No! I had better make a moat.
We can go swimming in your pretty, pretty pool. In the summer when it's hot, the water will be cool. It will be so fun when you install a water slide. Whee!
Ah, forget it! I'm going to stay inside. I need to make more fiends. Fiends who will not betray me.
a mess. Here, let me clean this up for you.
No! Ah! I am trapped by stupidity. Hamster, where are you?
Tee-hee! I made a doorway between our rooms. Now we can have slumber parties every night.
Charlotte. Charlotte. Charlotte.
Hi, neighbor. Can I borrow a cup of Charlotte? The Charlotte? Charlotte? Would you like to Charlotte with Charlotte? Charlotte, 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 Charlotte? Hi, neighbor. Can I borrow your closet? Tee-hee.
Stay away from me, stupid girl.
Ooh, are you feeling sick? I know what will cheer you up. A surprise party! Close your eyes. I'll be right back.
Hello, dearies. I'm back. I brought onion sodas.
Hamster, is that you? Where have you been? Can you never do anything right? How dare you go have fun while I suffer?
Mom, look what followed me home. Can I keep it?
My goodness, how will we ever take care of that?
Why not visit the Giant Pet Supply Store? It features a full range of supplies for all your giant pet needs. Hamster food in 50-pound bags. Barrels of fish food. 30-foot-tall bird cages. Man-sized chew toys. And flea collars from extra large to extra, 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 extra large. Located in downtown Clamburg between the Hat Shop and the Discount Clam Emporium.
Ding!
At last, I have a friend.
Thank you, Giant Pet Supply Store.
So, since its fabulous creation in the 13th century, cheddar cheese has delighted both man and mouse. And that is the history of cheddar. Cheese is the best. Good night, Buttons. Good night, Buttons, too. Ooh, where am I? It's the land of cheese! What a nice dream! Swiss! Gouda! Cheese, 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 cheese!
Vendetta could be here too.
I am here!
Oh, yay! Let's play!
Okay, that sounds like fun. Nom nom. It is cheddar.
Yum!
Let us share.
Okay.
Sharing is fun.
Ooh, why don't we sing a song? But what should we sing about?
I know. Let us think about cheese.
Good idea!
Cheese is better with your best friend.
Cheddar's nicer when there are two.
Cheese is best when you can share.
Swiss is better with me and you.
Cheese, 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 oh, let us share. And eat cheeses without care. Cheese, cheese, cheese with a friend. Let's eat till the cheese is end. Cheese is good when you're together.
Good as tasty when there are two.
Cheese is best with your best friend.
Cheddar's better when there are
Ooh!
Something is wrong. I do not think I usually sing.
Let's swing on the string tees! Whee! 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 Come on, friend!
It seems that I am not usually your friend.
Whee! Whee! Whee!
Ah, the terrible wing. Now I remember. I do not like you.
Let's make a cheese canoe!
No, I will make a fiend. A fiend to destroy you and your cheeses. Yes, that was easy. Attack! Burn, cheese, burn! I wish I had earmuffs and a magazine.
Vendetta! Vendetta!
You are still here?
Of course! Here you go. Your friend makes the best grilled cheese sandwiches. Toast! Toast! Good boy!
What?
Oh, is yours not toasted enough? Here, I'll help. Toast! Toast!
No! Ah, it was only a stupid dream.
Sandwich? Tee-hee?
No!
If I lived upon the moon, I'd be as happy as can be, because the moon is lots of fun with many things to see. If I lived upon the moon, I could skip really high. I would leap off of moon rocks and pretend to fly. The moon is full and bright, the moon is big and round. If I had a rover, I'd drive it all around. Maybe I'd find a moon cave, maybe I would find cheese. If there were moon flowers, perhaps I'd raise moon bees. If I lived upon the moon, it would be so much fun. I would take a rocket and bring up everyone.
If you lived upon the moon, I'd be happy, for you would be many, many thousands of miles away from me. If you lived upon the moon, you would get sick of gray, and hopefully you jump too high and drift too far away. The moon is full of dust, the moon does not have air. If you fell in a crater, nobody would care. Maybe you'll get hit by a rover, maybe you'd fall in a pit. If there was a meteor shower, perhaps you would get hit. If you lived upon the moon, what fun times I would have. I watch you through my telescope and laugh and laugh and laugh. Do not touch me with rope.
Hi, Vendetta. I'm learning how to lasso. It would be easier if I had a pony. You make things. Maybe you could make me a pony. Wait right here. I'll draw you exactly what I want.
Please, I would like a pony, one with pretty teeth. Please, I would like a pony for me. Please, please, please.
No! I do not make ponies!
But you make things all the time. You made a pet for Malachi.
That is true. Perhaps you do deserve a pony. A very special pony. Meet me tomorrow in the park, and I will give you a pony that you will not forget.
Yay! La 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 la.
Are you ready for your stupid pony?
Yes, please.
Here it is. Isn't it beautiful?
Is it a girl pony or a boy pony?
I don't know. A girl?
Oh, yay! I think I'll call her John.
Well, I suppose it's likely to eat her soon.
Look, Marion! It's my new pony! Wait! Marion! Marion!
My head!
Ooh! Hi, Marvin!
Oh my.
My spine!
Hey, look, Mr. Milk! I can help you take your groceries home! Hop on! Oh no, a giant evil pony. Oh, Pony, you look hungry. I'll get you a snack. Here, have an onion. Oops.
No! No!
Charlotte is still alive, but at least nobody else is happy.
Oh, John, you're the best. Just think of all the things I can do now that I have you. Yippee, 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 ki-yi. I've got a pony for me. Yippee, 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 ki-yi. I've got a pony, yay, yay, yay. We will buy socks at the mall. We will build sandcastles 20 feet tall. We will rope ducks or maybe cows. We will jump high into the clouds. Yippee, 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 ki-yi. I've got a pony for me. Yippee, 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 ki-yi. I've got a pony, yee-haw! Ooh, Pony, wouldn't that be the best? Let's practice our jumps. Jump! Jump higher! Ooh, the kitty cow. Get along, little doggy kitty.
This is horrible.
What are we going to do?
What is this?
Hello, Vendetta? We were wondering if you would like to help us?
Help you? Why would I help you?
It's just that Charlotte and her pony are sort of destroying the town and...
That is too bad.
Could we stay at your house?
What?
It's safer here. I've never seen anything more terrible than Charlotte and that pony.
Wait! You are more frightened of Charlotte than you are of me? Nobody is to be more frightening than me, especially not Charlotte. You are stupid, but I will help you. Now, go away! I have work to do.
Hold still, kitty cow!
No! No more! This is too much! Ah! Enough! You have got to go!
Ooh! Goodbye, John! Goodbye! Don't forget to ride! Goodbye! Goodbye!
Yay!
My hero!
Thank you for saving us, Vendetta.
Yes, I'm glad that you helped.
Leave me alone!